In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a green screen to your TikTok video. First, you want to open up your TikTok app and then you want to click on the plus icon. From here, you want to upload a video or record one. But before you click on the red check mark, you want to click on effects. Now you want to click on the search bar and type in green screen. And the most popular one is this first one, the green screen. And here I just need to upload a photo. As you can see, let's add this photo. And then I can shrink myself, make myself bigger, move myself around or whatever. And once I'm done, I just click on check and that's it. The video with the green screen will be here. Now it's not showing because the first few seconds I didn't add it. And also you need to record yourself with the green screen and not just without it. So this is the first part of the video and then this is with the green screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.